What are you doing? Hey, you just had your milk? You just had your milk? You just had your milk? Ethan, Ethan, are you full? Are you full? Oh, yes. Oh, bless you. What? Bless you, my son. What is that? What is that? Oh, oh, you just had your milk. Oh, yes. You just had your milk. Oh. Oh. What's up? What's up, my son? What's up? Hi. Where are we going? Hi. Happy New Year, son. Happy New Year, my son. Oh, you going where tomorrow? Huh? We're going to Avenues tomorrow? Yes. We're going to the church and then we'll go to Avenues. Yes. Yes, Mommy. Mommy will buy you a lullaby CD. Yes, a lullaby CD. Plus a colorful mattress. Yes, a colorful mattress with stuffed toy hanging. Yeah, a colorful one so my baby can see colors. Yes, yes. Would you like that? Oh, you like that, huh? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.